In this video, we're going to demonstrate the user mapping for technician and service writer assignments between Protractor and AutoTextMe. Protractor users do not need to dispatch their vehicles in two different systems. We do encourage you to assign a technician in Protractor and let the user mapping do the work for you. There's a small step you need to do as an administrator in order to set this up. Let's take a look at the Manage Users page in AutoTextMe first. Simply go to your administrator menu, go to Manage Users, and you'll see a list of your users in the shop. And we'll use myself as an example here. And all we need is to have the display name for that user listed as the SMS username here in your Manage Users tab. We have these settings already in place. If you don't know where to go for your Protractor username, let's take a look at that now. To find that, you'll simply go to the Home menu, you'll go to Setup, and I enjoy this menu here in Protractor because you can easily isolate the Employees section. You can find the user you're interested in mapping, and you can find their display name right in here. Simply copy paste that there. Most users, it's gonna be their first and last name exactly as you have it. Plug that in, and now you can see how the mapping actually works. I'm gonna demonstrate the user mapping directly from the ticket. I'm simply gonna go over here and assign my service advisor and assign my technician. And that's it. I'm gonna save this ticket and I'm gonna keep this on the vehicle on-site status. I deliberately save these statuses here from this dropdown so that I don't accidentally move it into any other statuses. Please be aware, Protractor users, by assigning a user, it will wanna jump into the status inspection in progress. And if you have that status mapped in other areas of AutoTextMe, look at our video for the status mapping training for more details. Just be aware it'll go into that status. So I'm gonna save in vehicle on site. And now I have those users right here. You can see that in Protractor. And when we go over into AutoTextMe and we go back to our active customer page, you're going to see that we have our service writer and our technician properly assigned to the ticket. Technicians and service writers can have notifications for assignments. If those are enabled, they should be notified when a vehicle is assigned to them. Thanks for watching.